Aaron's still there?
Nope.
Nope.
That studio's gone. Just
Gone. Well, there's Franklin Tech.
it's gone.
Baseball stadium gone.
Watch out, power lines.
What if somebody was buried under a tree?
Well, somebody's going to have to dig them out.
But then just the tornado came and knocked over the tree.
Gun store's fine. Good to know.
And I had no idea that tornado could knock down.
Orient Express seemed to survive pretty well. They have no power, but
That church probably blocked it.
the church is fine.
No power.
No power, but it's fine.
Oh,
Walgreens is not doing so hot, looks like.
Yeah.
Papa John's didn't fare too bad, looks like. Mama's Kitchen looks like it's okay.
That gas station, it's pretty well. Keep out, it says.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good luck.
People love that chicken. The roof's gone off that building.
I don't know if it just blew off. Or just collapsed. Blew off.
I couldn't get through here last night. It was
So bad.
solid with personnel.
Let's go see our neighborhood. See if it is okay.
Like the birds are doing okay. And I had no idea that tornado could knock down a huge tree.
Tornadoes knock down
I
houses,
saw a
honey.
person inside a car.
They're probably okay. They can't get through to our street. That guy's house that they've been working on, is he?
Well, that house did
I
get
guess we can
smashed,
get
but
through to it.
where
I
that
got
tree
through last
sure
night.
did. His house didn't get smashed, but that tree sure did.